Welcome back once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the Sellvia ongoing Black Friday promotion if you want to start your dropshipping business with the Sellvia Dropshipping platform. Now basically Sellvia is a dropshipping platform based in the US that gives you access to premium sourced products in the US. So one of their biggest advantage is that you don't have to ship your product from China. You can have your product readily available in the US, and whenever your customer place an order for your product, you can have it shipped down to your customer between 1 to 3 business days. And another good thing here is that you're going to be gaining access to quality products sourced by the Sellvia Dropshipping platform themselves instead of you selling random product from AliExpress. So just like Ali Dropship, Sellvia also have a WordPress plugin that you can install to your WordPress website that is going to link your website directly to their product catalog. So once your website is linked directly with their product catalog, you can import product directly from their store to your dropshipping website. And whenever you are selling on your dropshipping website, you could also fulfill the order directly using their product catalog that is integrated with your website. So basically they have 3 packages. So the first one is the monthly payment for the plugin, and they also have the Sellvia Pro, which is also going to give you access to 14 days free trial to use the e-commerce website. So the Sellvia Pro is more like an e-commerce website they are going to build from scratch for you. So when you get access to it, you're going to be able to use it for 14 days free trial. Then after that, you're going to be paying for the yearly package. So the third one is the turnkey Amazon business. So this is like a big e-commerce website they are going to create for you that is going to come with hundreds up to thousands of products that you can sell on the website. So one of the best advantage when it comes to this turnkey Amazon business is that this is like an automated business that you can have that can generate traffic for you using organic traffic. And when you have organic traffic coming to your website, you can monetize this traffic with the product you have on your website. So you can take advantage of the ongoing Sellvia Black Friday to order for any of their services and gain access to 50% discount. So take for example, if you want to go for the turnkey Amazon business here, all you have to do is pick a package here, then enter the Black Friday coupon code to save 50% discount on all of the services you're going to be ordering on Sellvia this current Black Friday. So take for example, as you can see here, they have different packages. So they have bronze, they have silver, they have gold, and they have platinum. So take for example, you want to order the gold package. So all you have to do is just click on order now. And before you check out, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on redeem it here. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video, and I'm also going to add a coupon code that you're going to be using to get the Black Friday discount, which is 50% on all of the services you're going to be getting on Sellvia. So what you want to do here is click on redeem it here, then enter the Black Friday coupon code. I'm also going to add a coupon code at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, copy the coupon code and paste it for any of the services you're going to be buying on Sellvia. So here I'm going to enter Black 50. Then once you enter the coupon code, what you want to do is click on apply here. So as you can see, the original cost for this product is $2,490. So when we apply the coupon code, as you can see now, the total cost for this is $1,245, and we've been able to save over $1,200 using the Black Friday coupon code. So this applies to any of the services on Sellvia. So if you've been planning on working with Sellvia, this is the perfect opportunity for you to save big using the Black Friday promotion. So let's check their other services, then see what other things you can take advantage of. So when I come over here, you can see that they have Sellvia products and they have proven bestseller. So these are unique products that you can order and add to your dropshipping website. So when you click on grow here, you're going to see that they have other services also that you can take advantage of this Black Friday. So they have SEO packages, like I said earlier. Now when you take advantage of the SEO packages, this is going to boost your website and helps you generate organic traffic to your website, then monetize this traffic with the product you have on your website. All right, so if you've been planning on setting a Sellvia dropshipping store, this is the perfect opportunity for you to save big using the Black Friday promotion. All right, so this is basically how you can take advantage of the Sellvia Black Friday 2023. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.